everybody, welcome back. Neffy is over here just messing around playing some pool and he sucks at it. But we were waiting for Josue to come in yet. He still hasn't came in yet. So Neffy, what did you find? Oh, here it is. Neffy pointed this out to me. This started coming out of my sister's car from the exhaust. Somewhere deep inside there. And I got a little bit more stuck inside there. Didn't have planned to make a video of this, but I might as well get this fixed, and then after I will be talking about the giveaways, which is gonna start on January 1st. So if you guys want to get some stuff, then after this vlog I'll explain how you guys could win and what's gonna happen with the giveaways. Super excited about that. It's getting late and we have so much paperwork we have to get done because of the end of the year. A bunch of inventory we have to order for the New Year's and just all kinds of stuff happening. But he hasn't called me. Neff, has he called you yet?
No, not yet.
So I don't know what's going on. Who knows what is going on with this guy. But anyways, we gotta fix this up, maybe a little bit of work inside, and then I'll explain the giveaways. And yeah, we'll get right to it. You ready, Neffy? The silencer should be able to come out super easy. I'm gonna get her new exhaust either way. Wow, look at all this stuff, guys. That's not good. The muffler inside is basically already falling apart. It's disintegrating from the inside. So, oh shoot, somebody's still stuck in there, Neff.
I know, that's what I said.
We're gonna try revving the car and see if that stuff comes out. Okay. Whoa. Okay, rev it up. Yeah, it's stuck inside here. It's still stuck in here. Oh damn. Wow. A little bit. Wow. Look at all this stuff in here. Damn. That smells nasty in there. Oof. Oh. What? God, look at all that stuff.
Oh.
Damn.
That's a little bit right there.
Whoa.
Is there more?
This is gonna be a canister, bro. It's gonna be nothing but a canister in here, bro.
I don't think there's more though.
This is not good. This is gonna sound so nasty.
I really need to clean that. Look at how
these eBay exhausts, they're cheap, so they're not gonna last you more than 2-3 years, because that was about maybe 2 years or so, and it gave out. So if you're gonna buy eBay, just know that it's not gonna last you that long. So let's do it, Neffy. Let's put it back on. Little rev. Okay, a little bit better. Still a little bit louder than how it was before. It's still pretty good. Yeah, it sounds like a ricer, but it should hold until I get her a new exhaust. And then once I get her a new exhaust, I'll definitely make a video. So be on the lookout for that. Alright guys, so we're back. We got some Pacifica. Josue finally decided to get to work today.
¿Cómo está mi gente?
So, yeah.
I got it. Tell them to stop sending me messages.
Guys, I know Josue's cute and all, but please don't be sending 10-page paragraph.
Hey, please. Shout out to my Instagram. I don't read.
Your Instagram. Alright guys, so this is how it's gonna go. The giveaways is going to start on Monday. No, I'm sorry, Tuesday. Tuesday is gonna be New Year's, if I'm not mistaken. So it's gonna be a 24-hour open window period.
No, you're saying it wrong.
Tuesday.
Tuesday is already the 1st.
That's why it's gonna be on the 1st.
Okay.
So
from 12, from right in the morning, from 12.
yeah, from 12
all
to
the way
midnight.
To midnight. The next day.
Yeah, the next day.
12 a.m.
Hey, you want to say this?
a.m.
Okay, how about you say it then?
Alright, you guys, first go follow me. Y'all go follow me. I don't know if you can see it.
It's not zooming in.
Okay, whatever. Alright, so from Tuesday, from 12 a.m. all the way to Wednesday, 12 a.m. in the morning. No,
Tuesday midnight.
Tuesday midnight all the way to Wednesday midnight. No.
What in the world?
No.
It's a 24-hour open period, and the way that's gonna be is gonna be 5 winners. The first 5 winners to get the first 5 questions answered win. But make sure you are subscribed and make sure you do click that notification bell, so when those So make sure you guys are subscribed, number one. And if I were you, I would click on that notification bell. So when the video gets posted, you guys can be the first to watch that video. So first 5 questions, first 5 people, to answer those first 5 questions will be the winner. It's gonna be super fun stuff. Like one of the questions is gonna be, what's your favorite video for 2018? So super simple stuff like that. Thank you for all my subscribers, super fun. This video was just a little fun update thing. It just happened of the ordinary. We've been super busy, had all kinds of stuff we had to do. Josue didn't even show up to work until like almost 1 in the afternoon, and it's like the last work day for the entire year. So
I'm sorry, I have busy things
just
to do.
slagging it, procrastinator. This is not what you want to do with your life, guys.
Work for Samuel?
Import and limited, not for me. Import and limited. So
Shout out to my mom, shout out to my best friend.
shout out to everybody. You guys are
Shout out to
super
my
awesome,
sisters.
super fun. Sorry I haven't been posting so much videos, guys. Sorry I haven't been posting up so many
Shout out to
videos.
Sam.
So that's about it. That wraps it up for this video. I'll be opening an Instagram account on the 1st. So I'll shoot you guys my Instagrams and everything. Neffy, you want to take it away? 1, 2, 3. You weren't even in it, dude. Does he really? No, he doesn't.
Shout out to my mom.
Again?
What the heck did you just...
Video comes, oh my god. So, what was I? I can't freaking talk.